4 years ago today, October 12th, 2015, I uploaded my very first video. Hi guys, it's Matilda here. So today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me video for a movie date. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this makeup and my outfit for the date. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, let's get right into the video. As you just saw, that video was a masterpiece. Also, I thought I'd get tens of thousands of subscribers because I was really good at what I was doing. That's what I thought. I had 10,000 Instagram followers at the time, and I thought, how hard can it be to get these people to subscribe to my channel? I was very wrong. It was very hard. And for the longest time, I think my very first video got me to about 100 subscribers, and that's after I told my mom, my brother, my friends to subscribe to my channel at the time, because you know family has to support you and your friends. So I got to 100 subscribers after posting on my Instagram as well that, hey, I have my first video up. I'm not going to lie, I thought it was going to be easy to get the numbers because I already had the Instagram numbers, but boy was I wrong. So I reached 1,000 subscribers just last year, 20th March 2018. Saying that out loud and knowing that today I'm unboxing my 100K plaque and we're way past 100,000 on this channel, knowing that, I am in shock. And I'm in shock because it took me 2 years and 5 months to get to 1,000, and it's taken slightly over a year to get to 140,000. That is an exponential growth, right? But it's taken 3 years of working, and in the last year is when I've seen results. So going back 4 years ago, when I started my channel, on this very day, 4 years ago, today is my 4-year YouTube anniversary. I had just come out of an abusive relationship. I was going through some changes in my personal life, and I was getting into makeup, and makeup became something I really enjoyed playing with. I wanted to have an outlet because I was doing a course I did not really enjoy. For those who don't know, I have a civil engineering degree. That is my educational background. And I was doing engineering at the time. I wasn't really enjoying it, but it was okay. And yeah, just starting a channel was an idea I got from a girl I met at a conference before joining uni, and she was like, hey, I think you should do makeup tutorials on YouTube. And that's because I was posting mini makeup tutorials on Instagram. They were really bad, and I wish I hadn't deleted them, but I did in a moment of cringe so long ago. But I wish I hadn't, because I really love going back and seeing where I've come from in this journey. So yeah, she was like, you should start a channel, and I was like, yes. And I went out and bought a camera after convincing my mom to buy me a camera. She bought me a camera, a stand, and that was it. I was a makeup guru. Yeah, I'm really thankful to my mom because she has been so supportive of this dream of mine. And my brother as well, he has been everything. When I wanted to give up, he's always been there. And trust me, the times were a lot. I wanted to give up a lot. And this is because during the 2 years and 5 months, I hope my timelines are making sense because they're not to me. But during, I'm eating here. During the 2 years and 5 months that it took to go from 100 subscribers to 1,000, that is a long period of time to be at below 1,000. And I was so angry at so many people for doing better than me on YouTube. I'd look at other people's channels and think, hey, what am I not doing to get those numbers? And I remember those numbers were like 5,000 or 1,000 rather. I'd see people start channels and get 1,000 subscribers in 2 months, a month, a week. And I just thought, hey, what's wrong with my channel? I was so discouraged and so sad and so miserable. But I also have to admit, I was in this bubble of just feeling like I deserved it. I had amazing content, which is not true. My content was shit. Going back now, I think no. But at the time, I felt entitled. And the truth is, the world owed me nothing. If I put out a video every day and did not get 1,000 subscribers, it was okay. But I was stuck in, I want to say friendships. I was in friendships where all we do is complain. All I did was complain that I'm not doing so great, I'm better than this person. And truth is, I wasn't. And I was so focused on how they were doing, what they were doing. I did not focus on what I wanted to do. So at the time, everyone who got into YouTube that I knew was doing makeup and I lost my voice for a second there. Everyone was doing makeup and yeah, that was about it, and hair. So I thought, I don't enjoy doing hair so much, so I'm going to do makeup. That's the next best thing. And for 2 years and 5 months plus, I did just makeup. I'd variate my content a bit, but I never went out of the box and thought, hey, what is it that Matilda wants to do? What is it that I want to add to the world? It was always makeup's gonna pick, my channel's gonna grow with makeup alone, and then I'll do whatever I wanted to do. It was, looking back now, I'm really grateful that it took so long to get my first 1,000, because in that period of time, I edited my friendships ruthlessly. I cut off a lot of people that were weighing me down. I became a better person mentally. I went to a better space where I stopped focusing on what other people were doing, what was working for them. I decided I'd focus on my journey, and I meant it. I would not compare myself to people who were doing better than me. And trust me, it is so easy, especially on YouTube, but even in life in general. It's so easy to look at someone's life and say, hey, why isn't my life like that? But truth is, you are on your own path. I'm on my own path. And for me, that's a lesson I really had to learn. And I'm so grateful I did. Because when I stopped focusing on who was at 10,000, 20,000, that's when I started to see growth. And the reason I started to see growth is because I became consistent with my content. I started doing whatever I wanted. When I had an idea, I just did it. So my first DIY video, I think, was the Instagram roses one. I did that February of last year. And I did the DIY Fenty body lava. So it was DIYing a lot. I still hadn't thought, hey, I should DIY clothes. I just thought I'm going to DIY expensive stuff and make it cheaper, which I really enjoy doing. Your girl loves to save money. So when I started doing the DIYs, that's when my channel really took off. But I think it took off because I became me. I stopped imitating people who were doing well, and I just decided to be me. Last year was the most liberating one in my YouTube journey because I started doing what I really loved. This year I decided to go all in. I really enjoy DIYing clothes. It makes me so happy, and I'm so glad that it makes you happy. And today we are here to unbox the 100K plaque. I cannot believe that this is happening. I'm going to try not cry, but I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving Matilda and allowing me to do what I love most. I'm gonna cry. We're not gonna cry. Let's unbox this. Let's unbox this. I've done a lot of talking, and I hope I shared a bit of my YouTube story. I know it was very on the surface, but I just want to tell you, if you're out there, you don't have to be pursuing YouTube. If you're doing something and it's taking long, evaluate what you're doing. Are you really being true to yourself? And if you are, then stick to it. I promise you, even if it takes you 2 years and 5 months to achieve your goal, it doesn't feel any less fulfilling. I am so happy. I am so proud of the 100K. And just because it didn't happen in a year or 2 years or 3 years, this is my 4-year anniversary. I can tell you that it feels amazing. It does. It still feels so good, and no one can take that away from me, and the same for you. So let's open this box up. It has been sitting here for a week. I had traveled and now I'm back, and now let's unbox the 100K plaque. I am shaking. I am literally shaking. Like, I feel like I've been so serious at the beginning of this video, and yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to share my story because I've been getting a lot of comments of, oh my god, you've just blown up. And I'm like, it might seem like that, and I know 4 years isn't a long time, but it has taken a minute to get to this point. It hasn't been easy, and it didn't happen overnight. So yeah, okay. There we go. This is what is happening inside. There's a foam thing to protect the plaque, and a message from YouTube. Oh my god, I have tears in my eyes. Oh my god. I did not think this would happen anytime soon. I can't have tears. So if I have tears, then whatever. Here we have the 100K plaque, and I don't know how to act. This is what happened when I passed 100,000 subscribers and I recorded it on video. I cannot believe that this is in my hands right now. I cannot believe that this channel has over 100,000 subscribers. This is for you and me. It's not just for me, it's for you and me, because without you, I would not have this. Without you, I wouldn't be creating every day. Without your support, we wouldn't be here. Okay? So I'm shaking. Guys, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I need to find a space for this. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but we can have it here. No, it's being hidden. Let's put it on the side. Okay, I promise I will find a better position for it. That was very emotional, and I don't have very many things to say, because when I hit 100K, I was in shock, and I was so happy, and I still am so happy. And I cannot believe that 100,000 of you plus subscribe to me. Like, it's insane. I can't wrap my head around it, but I just want to say thank you so much. Because you've given me this beautiful gift of doing what I love every day, I want to give back. I'm going to gift one of you a brand new Brother CS 6000i. So this is a sewing machine you're going to be winning, a brand new one, because this one's mine and I need it. But I'm going to be gifting one of you a brand new Brother CS 6000i. The rules for this giveaway are really simple. I want you to, of course, subscribe to my channel, because you have to be a supporter. Yes, I'm forcing you. And the second bit of the giveaway rule is I want you to comment down below how a sewing machine will change your life. A sewing machine has literally changed my life. So I want you to tell me exactly how getting a sewing machine would change your life. I want to know, why do you need a sewing machine so badly? What will it change for you? Yeah. I want to give a sewing machine to someone whom it will change their life just like it did mine. And of course, make sure you comment your Instagram handle, because I want to be able to reach you in case you win the sewing machine. And in case you don't win, I promise you I will have plenty of giveaways on this channel just to say thank you back to you guys. The giveaway will run from today, 12th October, to 19th October, which is next Saturday. So we have an entire week of giveaway, and hopefully at the end of it all, someone who is really deserving will win a brand new sewing machine. So yeah, that is my thank you to you guys for this bad boy. Thank you that this is finally going to go on my wall, and this is for us. It's always going to be for us. And even if I reach 1 million, which seems insane, 200,000, 300,000, it's all for you guys. You are the reason I wake up every day happy to do what I do, and for that I can never truly say thank you. So I'm just going to do giveaways here and there, but this is the first of many. So yeah, I can't think of anything else I want to add to that. So one last thing before I go, even if you don't win the giveaway, I wanted to show you guys something really personal that I've never shown on this channel. This is a mini sewing machine. It was the only thing I could afford at some point. I didn't even show it in videos because I don't know, it only has a straight stitch. I was so bad at hand sewing, I still am. So I had to get a machine because I was like, I really need to sew. I really want to bring creations to life, but I'm really bad at hand sewing. So I got this mini sewing machine from AliExpress. And this sewing machine got me my first 10,000 subscribers. So don't undermine what you have. It doesn't matter. This bad boy got me my first couple of million views actually. And it only has a straight stitch, so I had to go back in and reinforce the beginning of my sewing by hand sewing, which I hated. But if it were not for this machine, I wouldn't have the machine I have now. I wouldn't be here. This made my work easy, and this is what I could afford at the time, and it cost about $20, but it got the job done, and I am not ashamed. As you saw, this came out of a box, and I'm gonna keep this forever because this machine taught me that it doesn't matter what you have. If you always say, hey, I'm gonna start when I get a better camera, or I'm gonna start when I reach a certain point, or when I get this or this, you're going to keep postponing your dreams, no matter what they are. And this small machine that can barely do anything got me my first 10,000. I used to sew on this, and I never used to show it on camera because I was afraid people would roast me for it. But now I am so proud. Looking back, I learned how to use a sewing machine because of this. The reason the computerized sewing machine was so easy to use is because I had experience with this. It taught me how to do a straight stitch. I learned how to maneuver a sewing machine, and even the thingy was broken, so I had to manually thread this, and it was, oh god, it was a mess. But this is one of my favorite things I own because every time I look back at it, I remember where I came from, and it keeps you humble. And it keeps you grateful. Anyway, long story short, what I'm trying to say is use what you have and appreciate what you have as you work for what you want. This video has been very long, lots of crying, lots of laughing, lots of stories. I am probably going to have to edit this down a lot. Yeah, there's been a lot of everything in today's video, but from the bottom of my heart, I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for 100K subscribers. It's beyond my wildest dreams. Like, having 100,000 of you on this channel is insane to me. I still wake up thinking, someone pinch me, this is a dream. But I just want to say thank you so much. I'm about to start crying again, so I'm going to end this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one, which will be a DIY. Until then, I'm off to celebrate with my family and friends, and this feels surreal. So thank you. I love you guys so much, so much. 100,000 plus of you. See you guys next time. Bye.